Everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons, I'm 17. This is an update in my Amazon FBA journey. So, just a quick roundup. I've turned PPC down as my ACOS wasn't good enough, and I'm just going to be patient and get, a little sale here and there that will be profitable, because I've put a low bid, and I'm just going to be a bit more patient nearer Christmas. And then I'm going to really rack it up and try and exit the best possible way, and get as much of my investment back. Because I've definitely not made a profit from my investment, which is just unfortunate. It's just the way it's gone. And it's definitely got me thinking about continuing this product or getting a new one, or even continuing Amazon FBA at all, because if you didn't already know, I have a design business. I'm a freelance graphic designer, so it's definitely got me thinking about what I should do. But that's just a little roundup. That's for another video, I think. Anyway, finances. I need to sort my end of year accounts out, and I tried to attempt doing it myself, and I got on there, and on the first page where you have to fill out your balance sheet, or I have no idea what I'm doing. So I've emailed an accountant, and hopefully they should be ringing me sometime this week, because I need to get that sorted ASAP. And there's so much I just am confused about that I just need to speak to a legal professional and help me get over that little hurdle. And yeah, I mean this year, the financial year for the business has obviously, as you know, it's not been that great. So I just don't know how to do all the finances, or how to do my bookkeeping or anything. But that's just a little hurdle that I've got to overcome and learn from a professional who does know what they're doing. So if you have any tips or advice about that, then feel free to leave them in the comments. But that is my kind of latest journey update. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna just be a bit more patient, wait nearer Christmas. At the same time, just keep PPC on £5 a day, and try and get some sales where I can, but just make sure they're profitable. So that is me. I might make another video about whether I am, like I said at the start of the video, whether I am going to actually continue and try another product, or if I'm just going to get out, get my money, and go all in with my design business. So for a lot of people's journeys, Amazon FBA would be their sole income, and they would do as much as they could to make it work. And for me, at the time, it was more financial while I could get my design business up and running. But I'll go more into that into another video. But lots to think about. Again, right now though, I just need to get on a call with an accountant and sort out my end of year accounts for the financial year, and just make sure I'm not screwing myself over legally or anything like that. But that's just a little update. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are having a good journey yourself with Amazon FBA. You know where to click, the link in the description, if you want to learn how I did it. And yeah, that is all from me, guys. I will see you in another video. Bye.